Good evening once more. So this is a tutorial or a walkthrough on Hostinger. Um, so that you can do a lot of things with that. You can website builder, hosting, domains, that sort of thing. So we'll go through this. So at the moment you get 7 to 8% off web hosting. So you can securely, speedily, exactly what your website will be, and you've got the 24/7 customer support, and you get free domain registration. So usually in a lot of these sites, you're paying for it, so you're getting that free. And then in my money it's £2.59 a month plus 3 months free, so it's kind of a no-brainer. And then you have to claim the deal here, and then you can pick your plan, whatever you want to have. So you can single um, web hosting for one website, which most people just have one standard performance, and then the gigabyte SSD storage. You get a weekly backup with one email account, but you do not get the free domain name, which is kind of unheard of, really, or dedicated IP address. But then here's the other stuff that you're you're getting. So quite technical. To be honest, you're still getting quite a lot of that. It's relating to a WordPress website, but you're not getting the domain name and the URL, and paying £1.49 a month for it. But premium £2.59 here. That can do 100 websites, and then the gigabyte SSD storage is double at 100. You get free email, and you're getting free domain, which is like £9 a year value. Still a lot of these products, even if you're getting the minor one, then you're still getting quite a lot. But if a lot of people are wanting it for a domain name, so that's the one to get. So we look at business, which is only £4 a month, 3 months free. See the difference in that. Well, you're getting 200 gigabyte storage, and then the unlimited 3 SSL bandwidth. I also getting the free domain, and then for the top package, which is still a 9 a month for cloud setup, you're getting the free domain, dedicated email address, migrate your websites. That's for those that are more advanced. So, and then you've got the reviews here as well. So for that's web hosting, having a website, and then my site is on WordPress. So if we go to that, it's hosted by WordPress. See if we can actually log into it. Go to in here. Yep, so let's log into here, load up. This is like the dashboard. So you can, it's got Hostinger there, so it's all compatible with WordPress. So Hostinger, you can actually use WordPress to make websites on that one. So it's compatible, say, with WordPress, and then if it's an e-commerce, then you can click on this section if you have like a store. So, and then there's deals for that as well. Maybe you can just take a look at that. It's not something that I have. I don't have a store, but the same as, yeah, this is mainly for have a growing business, and then so I don't have a lot of these things, but this is basically what you're getting. So if you're in, you call it Shopify, you might want to get something like that, and this is website builder. We have that within the program. We build a website for you, but you can get the deal here, and it's just two options. It sometimes makes it easier. Make decision 259, a premium website builder or business. So you're getting free domain with each free email, drag and drop editor, 150 templates. Don't know what the difference is here. It's the AI stuff that you're with the top one. You're getting the blog generator, heat maps, SEO tool, the image generator, but with the bottom package, you're not getting that. And then it's e-commerce, adding payment methods. So that's really the difference between the two. And then if we go into hosting, it's email hosting is different from web hosting, and then cloud hosting, and VPS is for enterprise business that might have more than one website. So if this might be the one we move into, yes, it is. So already we're into that. And then cloud hosting, it's playing a wee bit more, but it's more like a server. So yeah, so that's for 300 websites, and you can do backups and free domain. And then it's got the WordPress capabilities. So it's all for 300 website, and the storage is a wee bit more depending on what you purchase. So they all seem to be quite good. And if you want to discover more, you would just go into it and sort of read it and make a decision. So it incorporates hosting. And then VPS is really for really enterprises, and you can just read that at your leisure. And then email hosting, email address that matches your custom domain. You can't send emails using Gmail now. And then there's two packages, £2 a month, 10 gigabyte email storage, forwarding. You can forward sort of long links um, to the email address, and then with the top one you're getting more gigabytes. They're both quite good packages. And then we've got Pro here. You can get more into their products. And then finally we have domain draller. So might type in always get value. So there's, you could purchase that for £2.99 first year. There's alternatives, which is a wee bit more, so you can just search for something that fits around your brand, and really take. This is quite a good one, so maybe click online, get this one, and if you're looking for a business which is something special, then take a look in the inside, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.